in a restaurant. Good afternoon. Would you like to see our food and drinks menu? Hello. Yes. And would you like to see both menu? Here they are. What is today's special? Our special today is grilled salmon with potato. Damn, sound good. I like. Please, bring it. Alright. Do you gain a snack before you breathe the salmon? And would you like something to drink? No, I don't. When an appetizer, I'll take a look at the drink menu and let you know. I'll be back. I think I'll have beer. You do like a Colombia club or an Igor? Colombia club, please. Alright. Your play and beer will arrive in a few minutes. Thank you. Bon appetit. Thank you.